Bless up electroculture family. Just having fun with this conceptual idea that I wanted to bring into physical form. It's a barrel compost console, vibrational console for influencing the compost that is inside this barrel. The barrel is very much like a percussive organ, just like the organs in our body. In medical Qigong, we treat them as percussive organs, and they resonate with different sounds, light, color, ideas, thought forms, and what have you. So those are just different expressions of vibration. The power source is the difference in potential between heaven and earth, just like everything else in the universe. And then you have all these different interfaces here to interact with the compost inside vibrationally. We have a nitrogen reagent because this is being prepared for spring brassicas. We have a tuning fork. This one's 528 hertz. The sound vibration, you can even physically feel it as it travels through the conductor. This conductor is going all the way from the antenna through the barrel, through the center of the compost, and then into the actual ground. The barrel is modified, and I'll put up some pictures in case anyone wants to make one of these for themselves. So you have sound vibration, you have the vibration from the reagent, you have magnetism in play here with some of these coils, you have mineral vibrations, paramagnetism, you have the color swatches here, utilizing fiber optic cable, so the light passes through the color filter, through the fiber optic cable, and down into the otherwise dark barrel of digesting material. And these colors can be switched out with these transparencies, color swatches. So I can switch the green and switch that out for a purple, or any of the other colors that you may want to make. You can overlap the colors to make like secondary, tertiary colors. And that vibration will then be sent into the barrel as a light signal. And then lastly, we have a handle here for imbuing the energy of the farmer, of the gardener, directly into the compost as well. So this is just a lot of fun. I wanted to share it with you guys and maybe inspire you to make your own. And lots of love and many blessings to you all.